Hey everyone, I'm Thomas. Today, we're comparing DeepSeek AI and OpenAI, two major AI platforms with different strengths. Whether you're into coding, research, or just AI in general, this breakdown will help you decide which one fits your need. Timestamps are in the description, so feel free to jump ahead. What is DeepSeek AI? DeepSeek AI is an open source AI platform designed for coding, mathematics, and logical reasoning. It features models like DeepSeek R1, which anyone can access, modify, and integrate into their own project. If you're working on math, heavy problem, programming tasks, or data analysis, DeepSeek often delivers better results than GPT-4 in those areas. What is OpenAI? OpenAI is one of the biggest names in AI, best known for models like GPT-4. It's a versatile, general-purpose AI strong in creative writing, translation, and conversational understanding. Unlike DeepSeek, OpenAI's models are closed source and require a paid API for access, making them a go-to option for businesses and commercial applications. Which one should you choose? Choose DeepSeek AI if you need an AI model for coding, math, or logic-driven tasks. It's open source, meaning you can customize it, run it locally, and save on API costs. Great for developers and researchers. Choose OpenAI if you need an AI that's great at creative writing, general language tasks, and business applications. If you're building a product with AI chatbots, content generation, or NLP-heavy workflows, OpenAI's polished models are the better choice. Budget consideration. Cost is a major factor. DeepSeek AI is the more affordable option, especially for heavy usage. OpenAI's GPT-4 is powerful but pricey. That's our DeepSeek AI versus OpenAI comparison. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments, and I might do a deep dive into your specific question. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI insights.